Welcome back. On this video, we are talking about what we're expecting on your favorite Star Life series this September. You guys, a lot of drama is actually going on that you don't need to miss. But however, before it's shown on TV, we are here to recap it for you to know what happens exactly on the TV before it is shown, which is definitely spoilers. So if you're a spoiler person and you enjoy watching spoilers, then stick around to this video because this covers a lot of episodes. And also, I think I'll be posting this on August. So also, if you are interested to see August spoilers, check out my channel and watch them as well because they're also posted there. Don't forget to subscribe in case you haven't subscribed to the channel yet. And the drama even get more intense and heated this September. Let us jump straight into the video of today without wasting any of your time.
1st September 2026, episodes 38:18 and 38:19. Akshara remains in hiding. Akshara reassures her brother that she's safe despite missing everyone, while privately questioning how long she can continue hiding. Her brother discovers a clue connected to Dr. Abhimanyu Birla and hopes his return to Udaipur will uncover the truth as tensions rise between the Birlas and Goenkas over Akshara's disappearance. 2nd September 2026, episodes 38:20 and 38:21. Abhimanyu hears Akshara's voice. The Birlas and Goenkas argue over Akshara's decision to leave and protect Karav. Meanwhile, Maya struggles with stage fright, forcing Akshara to secretly sing for her. During a press event, Abhimanyu recognizes Akshara's voice and rushes to Jaipur, while Karav avoids fresh legal trouble. 3rd September 2026, episodes 38:22 and 38:23. Abhimanyu searches for Akshara. Abhimanyu relentlessly searches Jaipur but repeatedly misses Akshara, who stays hidden to protect Karav. His investigation uncovers evidence that Maya has been lip syncing, confirming someone else has been singing for her. 4th September 2026, episodes 38:24 and 38:25. Abhimanyu is misled. Abhimanyu confronts Maya and Dr. Kumar, but they deceive him with a fake singer, leaving him confused. Burdened with guilt, Akshara secretly watches over him while Maya fears their arrangement could fall apart. 5th September 2026. Episodes 38:26 and 38:27. A familiar clue. Akshara saves Abhimanyu from an accident but is injured before he can recognize her. After she is taken away, Abhimanyu finds her bracelet at the scene, strengthening his belief that she is nearby. 6th September 2026. Episodes 38:28 and 38:29. Akshara and Abhimanyu reunite. During the singing finale, Abhimanyu exposes Maya's lip syncing, leading to an emotional reunion with Akshara backstage. Despite his questions, she refuses to reveal the full truth in order to protect Karav. Episode September 2026, episodes 38:30 and 38:31. Akshara reveals her sacrifice. Unable to avoid him any longer, Akshara explains that she left only to save Karav from being wrongly blamed. Although Abhimanyu begins to understand, she refuses to beg for his trust and chooses to continue the fight alone. 8th September 2026. Episodes 38:32 and 38:33. Akshara returns to Udaipur. Accepting that her marriage has fallen apart, Akshara returns to Udaipur determined to prove Karav's innocence. At the same time, Abhimanyu starts questioning whether his family judged her too quickly. 9 September 2026, episodes 38:34 and 38:35. Akshara exposes the truth. Akshara refuses to continue helping Maya and publicly exposes Dr. Kunal for blackmailing her into becoming Maya's hidden singer. Realizing the sacrifice she made for Abhimanyu's surgery, the Birla family is left stunned. 10 September 2026, episodes 38:35 and 38:36. Akshara's final opportunity. Akshara races against time to prove Karav's innocence, but everything falls apart when Manjari slips into a coma. Mahima blames Akshara, Karav, and Manish are arrested, and Akshara realizes the evidence she needed is no longer in her possession. 11 September 2026, episodes 38:27 and 38:38. Akshara ends her marriage. With Karav and Manish behind bars, the Goenka family falls into despair as Akshara is blamed for losing the evidence. Convinced Abhimanyu has betrayed her, she sends him divorce papers, which he signs without knowing the truth about the missing proof. 12th September 2026, episodes 38:39 and 38:40. Akshara starts a new life. Abhimanyu finally discovers the hidden evidence and clears Kairav and Manish, but it is too late to mend his relationship with Akshara. Refusing to forgive him, she leaves Udaipur and arrives in Pathankot, where Abhinav Sharma offers her shelter and support. 13 September 2026, episodes 3841 and 3842, Akshara suffers a heartbreaking loss. Akshara learns she is expecting high-risk twins and Abhinav promises to stand by her and protect her children. Following a medical emergency, she loses one baby while the surviving child gives her hope for the future. 14 September 2026, episodes 3843 and 3844. A 5-year leap, Abhinav proposes a marriage of convenience to protect Akshara and her child, and she accepts. 5 years later, they are raising young Abir together, while Abhimanyu has become a father figure to Ruhi and is engaged to Arohi under special circumstances. Dagvya. 15 September 2026. Episodes 3845 and 3846, fate brings them closer. Akshara and Abhinav struggle financially as they try to provide for Abir, while Abhimanyu settles into his new life. By coincidence, Abhinav is hired to drive Abhimanyu during his visit near Kasoli. 16 September 2026, episodes 3847 and 3848, an unexpected connection. Abhinav and Abhimanyu develop a friendly bond without realizing how closely their lives are linked. Later, Abhimanyu unknowingly saves his own son, Abir, from danger and accepts Abhinav's invitation for dinner. 17 September 2026, episodes 3849 and 3850, a shocking reunion. Abhinav brings Abhimanyu home, leaving Akshara stunned when she sees her former husband for the first time in 5 years. As they face public judgment over their divorce, Mahima accuses Akshara of moving on too easily. 18 September 2026, episodes 3851 and 3852, old emotions return. Akshara encourages everyone to leave their pain behind during the festive celebrations. Later, the Birla and Goenka families cross paths at a grand event, where Akshara and Abhimanyu find themselves competing in a musical face-off. 19 September 2026, episodes 3853 and 3854. A difficult return during the Dashera celebrations, Akshara inspires her family to let go of their inner burdens. Soon afterward, a medical emergency brings her back to the Birla house, leaving Abhimanyu struggling with their unresolved relationship. 20th September 2026, episodes 3855 and 3856, keeping up appearances. When Manjari regains consciousness, she happily asks Akshara and Abhimanyu to perform the Dashera rituals together, unaware of their pending divorce. To avoid upsetting her, they agree to maintain appearances while setting clear boundaries between themselves. 21st September 2026. Episodes 3857 and 3858, Arohi grows suspicious. Arohi becomes suspicious of Akshara's growing involvement with the Birla family and considers revealing the truth to Manjari. At the same time, Abhimanyu faces a serious crisis at the hospital while trying to keep their secret hidden. 22nd September 2026. Episodes 3859 and 3860. Akshara faces a painful dilemma as both families struggle to maintain peace. Akshara is forced to stay overnight at the Birla house for a family ritual. The emotional pressure becomes overwhelming as she tries to remain composed around Abhimanyu. 23rd September 2026, episodes 3861 and 3862. Karwa Chauth brings new tension. The Karwa Chauth celebrations place Akshara and Abhimanyu in an awkward position as they're expected to observe the rituals together despite their pending divorce. Their families begin noticing the growing tension, forcing the pair to hide the truth for Manjari Sake. 24th September 2026, episodes 3863 and 3864. Family tensions explode. A heated meeting between the Birla and Goenka families shatters any hope of peace. Meanwhile, developments involving Neil and Arohi hint at fresh conflicts that could affect both households. 25th September 2026, episodes 3865 and 3866, the rift deepens. Hoping to reduce the growing tension, Akshara suggests that Manjari ask Neil to keep his distance from the Goenkas. However, disagreements within the family continue to widen, especially between Akshara and Arohi. 26th September 2026, episodes 3867 and 3868, an awkward family ceremony despite the strained relationships. Abhimanyu helps organize Neil's pre-wedding ceremony. However, the absence of several Goenka family members creates an uncomfortable atmosphere and exposes the growing divide. 27th September 2026, episodes 3869 and 3870, Lost evidence returns. Akshara discovers evidence that could completely change everyone's understanding of the past. When the missing proof resurfaces, Abhimanyu realizes how badly he misjudged her and is overwhelmed with regret. 28 September 2026, episodes 3871 and 3872, Akshara challenges Mahima. Akshara confronts Mahima over her actions and uncovers Arohi's hidden agreement. As Abhimanyu continues searching for the remaining evidence, Akshara admits that rebuilding trust will take far more than uncovering the truth. 29 September 2026, episodes 3873 and 3874, Abhimanyu confesses again, determined to make things right. Abhimanyu once again declares his love for Akshara and asks for another chance. Although moved by his sincerity, Akshara remains uncertain because of the pain she endured. 30th September 2026, episodes 3875 and 3876, old secrets resurface hidden truths within the Birla family begin coming to light as Neil questions Arohi's motives, creating fresh conflict before upcoming family celebrations. While both families hope Akshara and Abhimanyu can reunite, Arohi quietly continues working to protect her own interests.